Hello students, let us continue our topic of trigonometry. In our previous class we have solved all the short examples and today we will solve all the problems related to it. Now see, under this our question is prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equals to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. In our previous class I told you that we have to start with LHS. So just let us start this with LHS. Now see here, our LHS is what? Sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Now see what we have to do. We want 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So we will arrange in that way so that we will get 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Now see here, let us divide all the term by cos theta. Okay, so if we will divide all the term by cos theta, then it will be how much? This will be sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta. Okay, cos theta by cos theta 1 and 1 by cos theta is how much? That is sec theta. Okay, and in the denominator part also sin theta by cos theta, that is tan theta, plus cos theta by cos theta 1 minus sec theta. Okay, so here we got at least sec theta and tan theta. Okay, this is in denominator part, 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. So almost here we are getting tan theta minus sec theta. So now see here, at the numerator part we want 1. So see, we arrange in that way so that we will get 1. Now see here, we don't have to disturb this one. Okay, so for this what we have to do, we will multiply both numerator and denominator. We can write in that way, tan theta plus sec theta minus 1. Okay, you put it in this one like this. Okay, and here tan theta minus sec theta. Okay, and here it is how much? Plus 1. Okay, and you multiply numerator and denominator by tan theta minus sec theta, tan theta minus sec theta. Okay, so if you multiply and divide both numerator and denominator by tan theta minus sec theta, then it will not make any difference. Okay, this both will get cancelled and we will find this as it is. This get cancelled 1, so this one. Now see here, just you multiply this with this. So here tan theta plus sec theta and tan theta minus sec theta, a plus b, a minus b. What we will write? Tan square theta minus sec square theta. Okay, and see this we will write as it is what? Minus, you multiply with 1, then tan theta minus sec theta. Is that okay? Now see here, in the denominator part just you leave everything as it is. Okay, because we don't want to disturb this. So this is how much? Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, and here it will be tan theta minus sec theta. Is that okay? Now see here, at the place of tan square theta minus sec square theta, what we will write? We know that what? 1 plus tan square theta is equals to how much? Sec square theta. Here we know that 1 plus tan square theta is equals to how much? Sec square theta. Is that okay? So here sec is tan square theta minus sec square theta. So this one will go to that side. So at the place of this one we will write minus 1 and minus tan theta and plus sec theta. Is that okay? Now see denominator part, just you leave as it is, tan theta minus sec theta plus 1, and here this part will be as it is, tan theta minus sec theta. Okay, now see here tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Okay, Now see, and here our numerator part is how much? Minus 1 minus tan theta plus sec theta. Okay? Now see, from there, if we will take minus common, then it will be how much? This is minus 1 minus tan theta plus sec theta. Okay? By what? What we will write the denominator? Tan theta minus sec theta, okay, plus 1. This one, and other one is tan theta minus sec theta. This we want. So see here. Here if we will take minus 1, okay, this get cancelled if you will just change the sign. Is that okay? If you will take minus common, then this will be how much? 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. So 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. So this will be minus 1 by tan theta minus how much? Tan theta minus sec theta. Is that okay? And we want sec theta minus tan theta. So again you take minus common. So this is 1 by how much? Sec theta minus tan theta, and this is equals to our what? RHS. Okay? See students, this part is clear to you. Just you take minus 1 common. So if you take minus 1 common, this becomes how much? Plus 1. 1 plus tan theta minus sec theta. Here is 1 plus tan theta minus sec. This get cancelled. So minus 1 left. Minus 1 by tan theta minus sec theta. But in our RHS part, it is given sec theta minus tan theta. So again we have taken minus common. So 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Okay, so this much for this class, and in the next class we will solve some other problems related to it. Till then, have a good day.